All right, good morning. I'm making eggs. Shut up. Got a call from my sign guy saying that my signs are going to be made today. And he asked if I wanted to come and video it. And I was like, hell yeah, that's great content. So after I get done with all of this, and I've got some work to do at the studio, I'm going to head over to his shop and actually film him making our sign, which is super dope. I can't wait for that. All right, just got to the studio and I'm cleaning up a little bit. Got a couple projects I've been working on in my office. And later we're gonna go to the sign company and watch them make our sign. I'm bringing you along so you can watch the process. It's a very exciting time. It's a big milestone to have our sign out by the road and also on the front of the business. My buddy Craig owns this Signorama location and has been graceful enough to let me come in and film. So if you need signs and you're in the Montgomery County area, look up Signorama for the Conroe location. They will not do you wrong. They're great people. Anyway, let's hop in the car. Let's head over there to start filming. All right, just pulled up to the Conroe Signorama. We're gonna go check out my signs and the progress that they're doing on them. Let's go. They're letting me hit the button. Oh, I think I broke it. I already broke it. Why'd you let me do that?
Because.
She just said that I'm the first customer to ever do that. Let's go.
That's how you know you're VIP.
I'm VIP apparently. Very ignorant people. This is the plotter, and it's cutting out each letter and little logo piece. It's moving freaking fast.